These are the 11 most versatile things to keep in your pantry and fridge if you're new to cooking. You should always have fresh citrus on hand, as well as some fresh herbs. These are a few of my favorites. My favorite non-dairy milks are coconut milk and almond milk. You'd be surprised how many recipes you can make with heavy cream and milk. Canned tomato products across the board are super versatile. Same thing with fresh cheeses. No kitchen should be without a variety of different stocks and broths. Don't think I forgot about you carbaholics, I got you. And if you have a sweet tooth, you need these baking essentials. I find that these are the most popular veggies that I tend to use. And a variety of different oils, vinegars, and sauces. These are some bonus items that I always keep on hand as well. If you like my content, be sure to like and follow and join me on IG and my blog.